Have you ever wondered what's inside a $450 million cruise ship? Let's dive straight in and explore the ship today. This splendid ship was launched in 2010. The ship is 292 meters long and weigh a whopping 92,700 tons. The ship boasts of a cruising speed of 21.6 nautical miles. That's equivalent to 40 kilometers per hour or 24.9 miles per hour. The total ship costed around 450 million euros. The ship not only looks stunning on the outside, the interiors are designed well to give the guests a symphony of comfort, relaxation, and fun.
Ice in my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed. All the squad here to play and I've got something to say, yeah.
The ship has a main bar and a lounge, which is one among the other 12 bars that are available in different decks of the ship. There are two swimming pool areas, one in the front of the ship and one at the back of the ship. The cabins are designed to give utmost comfort to the guests. We opted for a room with a balcony, and we did enjoy it a lot. Up to 2,828 passengers can be carried in 1,130 cabins. There are 5 different restaurants and snack bars throughout the ship. You will be pampered with delicious food and mouth-watering desserts. The ship has its own casino where you could try your hand at winning something or losing it all. For kids, there are lots of activities. There is a separate play area on the top deck. And also there is a special arcade center where the kids can have fun on the move with different games and challenges available there. And it's open 24/7. For shopping lovers, you can also find a huge shopping mall inside the ship where you can buy nice goods or clothes as a souvenir. For everyone else, there's a lot of entertainments offered on the move. There are pool parties every evening. For music lovers, there are live music events in the bar every evening. You will love this. There is also a theater on board where you will have an opportunity to witness different shows every evening. It was so much fun. you would not have a moment of boredom once on board the ship. There are so many things and so many fun events to be part of. And the best part is everything is included in the price. Although the cruise itself is a vacation, the most important part of the cruise is getting to visit different countries and destinations the cruise is sailing to. To watch our complete journey, please click the link in the description. Don't forget to subscribe.